This is the Jordan 1 Light Army. What's up guys, it's Gavin, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below. Your subscriptions and likes help the channel out a lot. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the Jordan 1 Light Army, also known as Rust Shadow, Fresh Mint, or Patinas. I got these from Jordan Manila earlier in a size 10. The price is 8,095 pesos. And with that being said, let's take a look at the box. It comes in a standard Jordan 1 box. Nike logo on top, side, 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 sizing and details. Its official colorway is black, fresh mint, and light army. Now let's take a closer look at the sneakers. These sneakers look way better in person. The toe cap of the sneakers are smooth leather with a weathered bronze or copper color. The toe box is black, slightly tumbled leather, and the shoes come with a regular black laces and an additional mint laces. People are hating on this tag because it is not what they're used to. I personally think that this tag goes well with the overall color of the sneakers, especially with these mint laces. Now let's check out the medial and lateral sides of the sneakers. For the lateral side, you still have this weathered copper or bronze color that stretches across the front of the sneakers to the eye stays and the swoosh. This part has a black, slightly tumbled leather, similar to what's on the toe box of the sneakers, but this is slightly more tumbled. For the ankle collar of the sneakers, it has a better black tumbled leather, and it also feels better compared to the ones here and here. Let's take a look at the medial side. It's basically the same as the lateral side. Moving on to the midsole of the sneakers. It has a sail color while its outsole is black. Let's check out the back of the sneakers. It has a combination of nubuck and leather. As I said earlier, the color isn't shadow gray but more of an olive green color. You can still see that black outsole, sail midsole, and the black tumble leather on the ankle collar. As I said earlier, these sneakers look way better in person. I really love the overall colorway of the shoes because of the earth tones that they use. The weathered copper or bronze would really go well with the olive green color at the back of the shoe, and I think that this would really pop more if you add these mint laces. That's it guys for this closer look on the Jordan 1 Light Army. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below if you were able to cop these sneakers. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Gavin Marshall. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.